Zalia kamere.
Jesus. Sebo tukuyambe muti.
Vangambe ke kasingo njagala chikomando.
You want what?
Kakomando.
I'm sorry, what?
Kakomando.
I have suffered the days. Even this you want. What do you want?
What can good spelling here? Kakomando.
You've not spelled it.
What you call a mugetto?
Okay, let me go and ask my boss about that.